Omubunge West Mugirango umusikie Stephen Mugaka nigo litikulia lero abakagwikirana ase omuyiga bwoguchingira amachibwa maya ase esukuru ya secondary ya Gesiaga anene ya matemu a KCSE omwaka oeta abwasebeiriga koene kibuna esukuru eyu ase sabari y'omwaka oyoiga nigo aborokiwa chiminya na 32 babeire bagokonyeka nabo igo ase sabari eyu nigo isaine shilingi milioni eyemo ase bono abereka gucha kuria eira usabereka kuria eira yogochikwenekia kugusuelia abaiboli egurube wetera ase school fees anene ase chinsemecho umurike tofatgad Gisemba na ikirana sayu nabono nigo atwaleganirie orobotiro
Maiga yogokoria pia asa matemu manene a KCSE omwaka oeta esukuru ya secondary ya Gesiaga egotoka imeye wodi ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirango nigo rero batwara omuyiga bwoguchingira amachibu amaya ayo banyorete omuyiga boigo oikiranwa n'omubunge Stephen Mugaka oyo oirachinga kiecho na kubabwatokera chipasari cha masomo cy'omwaka oyo na wasio ribene puna aborokiwa wetania chimia inye beskuru eyo nigo bagucha gokonyeka ne pasari eyo.
And I want to thank you, my chief principal, because you are among those teachers who believed in me and took up my children, many of them without the fees. That is why today I have brought fees for 432 students of this great school called Gesiaga, soon becoming national. Hawa ni watoto wamenufaika na msaada wa West Mugirango constituency bursary. The schedule or the names of my 432 students. Hawa mimi unaomba waambie basa awapoe receipt. Kila mtoto akuwe na receipt ya kuonyesha pesa yake imelipwa.
Omo MCA okemera oyo na indoro mokonyi bwo monogeri webunge ya Nyamira omuske James Matinga nigo ensemo yaye aira chinga kiecho na kuboria abarimu tibako babango asoko batuma abana chinga cyabo wetera asoko borwa we school fees korende bariye chinchira chingao chogo sonsora omuchando oyo.
Fuateni mzazi lakini mwanafunzi akae kwa shule. Tabia ya wanafunzi kutapakaa kwa parapara eti wanaenda kutafuta karo, hilo ni jambo ambalo tunataka kulikemea kuanzia wakati huu. Na matukaya lero ense ya sare kiraba ibuli na eta wanje omwana wanye gwetaga abana mbarenga tuigwete abaiseke basirire njira omwana agotara kurwa atebunga tigaye lift ne pigipigi ogendo borera nikosebo.
Aiga boigo nigo aba MCA abuo baira chinga kiecho na kubasegeta aborokiwa bonsi kogenderera kubeka omukia ase amasoma abo erio kera oyomo aikiranie endoto yaye.
Niko na furaha kadri kwamba katika chimbo letu la Busamaro Gesiaga Secondary School ikiwa one of the 14 secondary schools we have in this ward did very well in the last examination. May God.
A mixed school, when you see them very serious like this, discipline the people roja banyaroka baikaranzireta ari baroje ngabamba muraba mwabo kona ugonjo kana care is really nothing of that sort. And because of that discipline I've seen here, that is what is making you do better. Omosikika kande national school arte ndikuchigocha busa omojumbe nabagosaba egendegenara muri gete biyanga 8.5 plus ikikianda totimbokyo momuro yo midomi gosyo gamba abeko koboka turugwe national school riyo
nonye nabo nigo muske Stephen Mugaka asingirira buna ere kyabegete bosyo no kwene kyabuna kera omworokiwa nkonyorare obosibore bwaye ase SME.
The MP is here, who is very passionate. Our member of Parliament, Honorable Steve Mugaka, is one of the few members of the National Assembly who are very passionate on matters education.
I have a case, and this one I'm following it up. There is an idiot, and I will use the word idiot, who has slapped a candidate during examination time. Omondo wako mwana wo montoro ekerao paramate. Yeah, and I'm saying this one, we are not laughing at each other. Every child in this republic needs protection.
Kingo reporter Gatembe, Koroigase County ya Nyamira, Jeff Atigad, Gisemba.